In today's world, our nation faces a challenge, a decline in math and STEM proficiency across our schools. Recognizing this, the Department of Defense has called for a major initiative to support education in science, technology, education, and mathematics. At iNugGits STEM Academy, we're not just responding to that call. We are transforming education by enhancing students' mathematical competencies through practical applications in programming the Otto robot, where they actively apply mathematics and physics concepts to solve real-world problems. This practical approach sets us apart from other educational programs. We're on a mission to make education great again, nurturing students who can think critically, solve creatively, and lead with purpose. iNugGits STEM Academy stands at the forefront of transforming education, preparing future leaders who will shape a resilient, innovative America. Join us at iNugGits STEM Academy. Support our mission, and together, let's make education great again.